and Fanatics hockey jersey break. Pick your player. Number 80. Pick your player, number 80. Here we go. It's actually more like break number 750, but I lost count, so I started from scratch again. Ay, ay, ay. Well, especially PYT, but... PYP, we started a lot later on down the road, which is cool. It panned out. We were back and forth there for a while. 11 times. All right, so there's 11. Okay, 11 times. All right, Tone, I'm going to find the list. Last box 55. I got it, brother. I do have it, my friend. All right, 55. It's going to be 11 times. Top box we're going to break. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a Gila Monster. 6, 7, 'Oops, what happened here? 8, 9, 10, 11th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Box 41. Box 41. I'll go ahead and email myself real quick. Updated jersey list. Last box 41. All right, take 41 out. That's definitely the end of that run, I would imagine. Unless it went up to 100. That's got to be it. Unless I had her up to 100, which I don't think so. Could have been. All right, 41. Let me get it. Good luck, everybody. Nice jersey off the top. Real good jersey off the top. And we got the old Kachina uni. Jeremy Roenick for the Yotes. Jeremy Roenick for the Yotes. The old Kachina uni. Oh, nice. And for the Sharks, Jumbo Joe Thornton. Not for the Leafs. Where the heck's Pavelskinator at? Joe Thornton, SJ. Oh, nice. This is a nice jersey. And we got an authentic pro, Teuvo Teravainen. Hartford Whalers. Teravainen Authentics and AJ certified as well. Nice Teravainen. That is the Hartford Whalers version, obviously. Jumbo Joe is Tonio, I guess. Tonio getting back a little bit of an edge again. Been a while since that roll. All right, Tonio, congrats on Jumbo. Tonio was Thornton. With a Gila Monster. Is that sarcasm that I do it attacked? With panache? Alright, let's check it out here. So AJ, Jeremy. Ronick is Ash. Going to Ash. Pokemon trainer. Nice. Nice Ronick, Ash. 3 good jerseys. That was 3 good jerseys in a box. Still haven't pulled that. Oh, man. That Panarin, when we pull that Panarin, we're taking that out of the bag. It's that Liberty Bell, the Flurry, too. Teravainen. Armuldoon. Rory. Nice hit, Rory. All right, Rory. Without the Couve. I have to put Rory in counseling with no Couve. He's like, yeah, real funny, Rob. All right.